Hey everyone, it's the tiniest one back with another video for you, and today I'm going to take you through a little bit of a journey of me completely rejigging the office. I'm trying to make the space work a little better, both for filming, output, and also keeping things nicely flowing through my head and keeping me energized and enthusiastic. We're not quite finished yet, but there has been some major changes and almost like a little bit of a step back in time. And I think when you get through to the end, although technically you can see them already, we have gone back to the kind of old days and brought the shelves back. But I would love to know your feedback. I'd like to know your thoughts about the time-lapsing as well. Keep an eye out for the IKEA desk hack. I'll go right into how I cable manage and everything as well, because at the end of the day I've got quite a lot of monitors and a corner desk, so it turns into a complete nightmare to try and make all those cables look tidy. So get yourself a cup of tea. I hope the music isn't too bad for you, but get comfy and have a watch.
Fight for my attention, for your ascension, you must prove it. 'Cause if you can find it, you don't confine it, you let it move. Make way for the genie, scream for the dream may come true. Yeah. Have you ever played with a queen? I can show you what I mean. chance to run. Leave behind the said and done. Figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things I can't ignore. I'm not getting what I came here for. Gotta get ahead of something more. So I think I found a new way out, way beyond a shadow of doubt. 'Cause I can't breathe, and I guess I could be stronger now and leave it up to fate somehow. But I'm doing this for me. Give it up, baby, I'm not fooling anyone. Always going on and on. Can't you keep it to yourself for once? Oh, I think I found a new way out, way beyond your shadow of doubt. And I can't breathe. Oh, I hope you're keeping count of all the times you let me down, and all the things you said out loud, the bullshit I could cry about. And I know we could be stronger now and leave it up to fate somehow. But everything I do for me. I've been watching you with dark eyes every night, counting up your sins. I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice. You can't bury me. You don't never know. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, but I leave you with the shudder. With the shudder. I got ghosts you don't wanna know. I got ghosts you don't wanna grow. Trying to forget, I'm in your head, shatter up your spine. Try not to choke, a funny joke when you say you're mine. Lost your control, think you're alone, I'm still in your mind. You can't bury me. You don't never know. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, but I leave you with the shudder. God goes, you don't wanna know. But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. No, no. You're the battles won, you kingdom come. To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
So then, we are at the end. It does feel kind of familiar with the shelving back like it used to be at the old place. One thing I will say though is I am definitely not finished yet. The view from the other side of the camera is still a bit messy, but that will be a work in progress. There's going to be some other little filming areas. There's going to be a dedicated gaming rig set up because I've obviously got some space, and it's going to allow me to do other reviews easier. Before people start whinging about what's in the background, that's actually my own personal in my rig graphics card box, and then the other ones that are in the background are review samples that I've been lucky enough to keep. But just because they're on the shelf doesn't mean they don't get used. They do get used to test games, and they're just there in the background as background fodder. They're also very much not there to wind people up, because I know the situation is difficult at the moment. It's just the way they are. Also, they can be asked for back at any time. There were a lot more graphics cards than this when I earlier on in the year, and they've all been pulled back. So it's a very fluid situation. It's something that a lot of people don't fully understand. But anyway, it's kind of weird to be able to look over at the back of my main rig now from where I'm filming. But hopefully I'll get used to that. I've tried to make the cables as tidy as possible. There are going to be other filming areas, and one of the other really weird things is I can obviously come round into the background and stand behind them for a change, which might make for some fun times later on. The background lights are not pink, they are not purple. They're actually just individual red and blue lights. And then it kind of sets the shadows. I know it looks like it's not level, but to be fair, with the shelves and the sloping ceilings and the table, trying to get them all like at a perfect angle, it just never happens. So now I just turn the camera on a wonk so that it will never ever be straight. But one of the things I do want to draw attention to is the caricature of my sister's car in the background. That's Josh from JMR that did that for me. He's an amazing photographer. He actually did a light paint of my own personal car. So go and look at JMR Media on Instagram or on Facebook. He's actually local to me. He's a good lad. Anyway, I wanted to give him a shout out. And I also wanted to make sure that I had my sister kind of in the shot, but also to give you a little bit of a hint about what I like to do in my personal time. But one of my most prized possessions, and I still have him, is Roggy. Now the regulars all know who Roggy is. I don't even know how many of those they made in the end, but I love it. The background will get filled up. We have Orca here. That's my rig that I used for years. Crikey, I did do a video about that recently, about the Orca revival, because I rebuilt it and revamped it and cleaned all the coolant and changed the hose and everything. But that was a memorial piece for my mother. I might actually end up doing one for my sister at some point. I've got lots of ideas bouncing around in my head, but I just need the right case to be able to do it with. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. I hope you liked the change. I hope you will find this a beneficial, positive thing moving forward, so that the background isn't as boring as it was. And hopefully we will all benefit from this, both you guys at home and me, because I needed to get my head back in the right space as well. But this has been the tiniest one with another video for you. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. To be fair, I don't think many of you are going to get to the end, but anyway, share all that kind of stuff. Don't forget, I will be working on stuff in the background because we have a few launches coming up. I'm just going to go quiet. But anyway, see you later, guys.